Read reviews that most people are talking about MoreJoy M2 Mini Wireless Earbud. The features by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel would like to recommend are as follows. Hi-Fi stereo sound and clear call. The Bluetooth earbuds feature 13mm drivers for hi-fi sound quality, immersing yourself in a concert-like stereo sound field effect. Built-in mic in each Bluetooth headphones utilizes call noise cancellation to ensure clear calls. Enjoy high-quality conversations anytime, anywhere. One-step pairing. The advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology delivers a stable, low-latency wireless connection for high-quality sound, music or call. Take the wireless earphones out of the charging case and they will automatically connect to your phone, after being paired the first time, avoiding complicated operations and saving waiting time. Smart Touch Control. The noise-canceling earbuds control play or pause, previous or next song and make calls as well as activate Siri without taking your phone out of your pocket. Bringing you the Tour Earphones Bluetooth wireless when you use the iOS or Android smartphones, even PC. IPX7 waterproof. Made of carefully selected premium nanomaterials to protect splash-proof when you're doing the gym or running outside. IPX7 waterproof earbuds wireless Bluetooth enable you easily control the pace while running, exercising. Ergonomic design and lightweight. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable and secure fit. These wireless earbuds are small and light, not have any pressure on wearing. The 3 grams ultralight, especially for sports, workouts, gym. This video create by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.